everyone, this week we are back with another video. Today we are going to be experimenting with twists again. Today I'm going to be making a weave twist. So this is how we're going to do this today. The first step is to weld pairs of bar together and twist them all in the same direction. Then those three pieces need to be welded together and twisted back in the other direction. That's all there is to it, but the result should be a funky looking weave. Today I'm using lengths of about 1/4 inch round stock. Okay, so I've got this piece that I want here wrapped around in wire to hold it roughly where I want it. It's not the biggest deal in the world. It's all twisted around anyways, and it's going to be twisted further, but I've got it held roughly where I want. The goal is I'm going to tack this all together first just to get it held together. Then I'm going to weld it a little bit more, and we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm happy with how this one came out. I think I should have twisted it a little bit further, but I'm still really happy with it. The only thing that really gave me much trouble was getting those three pieces to weld together nicely. It's a little bit of weird geometry for it, but it still came out nice. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you did. And I will see you next week. Bye!